Looking for a delicious and healthy snack option? What if we could whip up something that's not just scrumptious, but also packed with nutrients and perfect for keeping those blood sugar levels in check? Today, we're going to introduce you to the marvelous world of diabetic-friendly oatmeal bars, a snack you can enjoy without the guilt. First off, gather all the ingredients. You will need 2 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of chopped almonds, a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, a pinch of salt, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half cup of dried fruit. Cranberries or blueberries work great. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, take a large bowl and combine the rolled oats, chopped almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and a pinch of salt. Mix them well. In a separate bowl, blend together the unsweetened applesauce, honey, and vanilla extract. Pour this wet mixture into the bowl of dry ingredients. Stir them together until everything is nicely coated. Add in your choice of dried fruit and give it another good mix. Next, line an 8-inch square baking dish with parchment paper. Transfer your mixture into this dish, spreading it evenly and pressing it down firmly. Pop the dish into your preheated oven and bake for about 25 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. Once done, remove the dish from the oven and let it cool completely. This is crucial for the bars to hold their shape. After it's cooled, lift the parchment paper to remove the baked mixture from the dish and cut it into bars. And there you have it. Delicious, nutrient-rich, diabetic-friendly oatmeal bars that are perfect for a quick breakfast, a midday snack, or even a post-workout refuel. These bars not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also provide a good amount of fiber from the oats and seeds, healthy fats from the almonds, and natural sweetness from the honey and dried fruit. They're a great way to keep your energy up and your blood sugar levels stable. So, the next time you're craving a snack, reach for one of these oatmeal bars. They're not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boost for your health. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's all about finding the right recipes and making them your own. Enjoy!